How to kill skunk cabbage. Skunk cabbage is commonly found in damp or wet locations, such as bogs and swamps. Emerging in early spring, the skunk cabbage plant lives up to its name when the flower or leaves are damaged. A pungent aroma of rotting meat is released that attracts insects. The insects, in turn, aid in pollinating the plant. Ridding an area of skunk cabbage is a two-step approach. Things you'll need: gloves, knife, foam paintbrush, glyphosate herbicide. Put on a pair of work gloves to protect your hands when you cut skunk cabbage. Pull the leaves of the skunk cabbage plant to the side. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears to cut off the leaves and flower stalk close to the ground. Dip a foam paintbrush into glyphosate liquid herbicide. Use glyphosate that is full strength, not diluted. Paint the glyphosate onto the cut skunk cabbage. Apply the glyphosate within 5 minutes of cutting the leaves and flower, so the plant will readily absorb the herbicide.